Hello everyone, it's Crazy Canuck coming at you from Saskatchewan, Canada again. Just thought I'd do a quick update on the Berkey. If you look back in my videos, you'll see where I built this unit. Just got the filters, used some free pails, a little Value Village find to get the spout. So I fired it up yesterday and I took a sample. Now the only way I have to check it myself is with EC and TDS. So yesterday when I first fired it up, the tap water that we have has an EC of 1260, TDS of 556. Now the initial water that came out had an EC of 2200 and a TDS of 970. So I phoned the company and asked them why this is happening, and they said that there could be excess particulates or something like that within the filter itself, and the EC could be because of the ionization process that it uses to remove toxins. So since then I ran some water through and things are stabilizing. The TDS is at 622, and just check the EC here and get it to, so it's at 1350. So it's a little higher, but it has come down. So from that perspective, it looks like everything's working just fine, and the water tastes good. So that's pretty much all that counts. I'll give you one more little update on the old grow tub there, and take it from there. So here's a little update on the plants. As you can see, the potatoes got a little leggy and fell over. They're still growing good though. The onions are doing fantastic, but the bricks on here is only around 5. So everything's growing good, but still not high bricks, so I'm going to keep working on trying to get that up there. Now I think somebody suggested putting a fan on to make the stalks stronger so they don't fall over. That's definitely a possibility. I'm going to keep trying to get that bricks up, because without high bricks you're just growing crap. So I'll see what I can do with this. But so far the hidden grow lights are the best lights so far that I've tested. So it's just a matter of maybe doing something with the soil or whatever I can figure out here. So we'll see. It's an experiment. You're learning as much as I am. So that's the update on that. Just a little quick update video, and as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, spread the word, share the news. We'll talk to you later.